To format the SD memory card on the Sony ZV-E10 camera. So let's first press on the menu button to turn on your camera and press on the menu button, and using this control button here, the wheel, you want to at the top here, you want to make sure you go to the tab and then tap on this setting button here, tap on the setup tab, and then we go down. Once you press on the down button on the wheel here, you want to go to setup 5, usually around 4 or 5. So here on my firmware version, it is setup 4, and here we got format. So you want to go to format and then press on the enter button or the center button here. Then we press on up button and make sure enter is selected. So using the wheel here, we can move it up or down. Then press on the circle button or the enter button. And this will format the memory card. And that's it. So that's how you can format your SD memory card on a ZV-E10. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.